I am cooking food. I am making tea. I turn on the stove. I am boiling water. I am chopping vegetables. I am frying meat. I am cooking soup. I am washing the dishes. I am setting the table. I am drying the dishes. I open the fridge. I am stirring the food. I add salt. I add pepper. I am making sauce. I am cooking pasta. I am cooking rice. I am frying eggs. I am boiling eggs. I am slicing bread. I am washing fruit. I am washing vegetables. I am making salad. I put the pot on the stove. I taste the food. I clear the table. I strain the tea. I heat the milk. I add sugar. I am making coffee. I use a blender. I mix with a mixer. I preheat the oven. I put food in the oven. I take the food out. I peel potatoes. I chop onions. I crush garlic. I serve the food. I put food on the table. I load the dishwasher. I unload the dishes. I fill the kettle. I turn off the stove. I store the food. I put food in the fridge. I bring a glass. I bring a plate. I take a spoon. I take a fork.